how well you can hear me with wind noise. But we didn't do a vlog entry last night at dinner because both our phones died. I think we were both pretty shattered anyways. Pretty manic 24 hours yesterday. But we've just left Ait Benhaddou behind us. And we're trying to now make it back to Marrakech in a day. So wish us luck. Might be some brief vlog updates today. Hopefully some epic views too. Right. Ciao. If we were to make it back to Marrakech in a day, it'd be the longest leg of the trip so far, covering 180 kilometers and 2,000 meters of climbing. Our route would take us through some breathtaking scenery, ascending back through the Atlas Mountains to a plateau with a village called Telouet, where we'd stop to refuel before climbing to our highest point in the Tishka Pass and then descending back down towards the Atlantic, towards Marrakech. Another epic Moroccan road. It just doesn't get old, this scenery. Just epic. Totally epic. Gonna miss this place. Allez! It's okay. Let's go. Allez.
Oh, merci, monsieur. Hey.
Want to give you a push?
Yeah. Hey.
Go.
Ça, ouais.
Go.
Hey. On verra. Hey.
As if we hadn't done enough climbing already, that's where we're going to up there. Whose idea was this?
Yours.
I'm sure I've said it before, but this place is just insane. Bonjour, monsieur.
Look at this place. It just never gets old. It's so insane. It's just so beautiful. But also so savage. The hills, the sun. It's just absolutely mega. I'm really gonna miss it.
Bonjour, man. It's actually a really good place to do it.
Yeah, we're going to get a lot of road noise because we've just passed over the Col of Tishka,
Tishka.
and now we're going to descend the Tizzy bit, the difficult road, which is quite a busy road, it turns out. Yeah, definitely a tourist route. And I said to Alex, I'm very glad that he planned, because Alex has done an amazing job of planning and directing most of the route, that we did it the other way where we ascended the test, because it's much quieter road. And we've just stopped. We're trying to use up the rest of the food that we've got, so load of couscous, veg, and some green and red harissa, so should be nice. Yeah, it's going to be spicy, but hopefully we'll make it to Marrakech before our toilet troubles as a result of the spice. Though, on the whole, to be fair, Moroccan food hasn't been that spicy.
Just
has it? There was the one tagine at the top in Imlil where it had
ate that chili, and that was savage. I forgot about that. That was brutal.
Where you're like, oh, is this a pepper? Bang. And that was, yeah, particularly hot. But other than that,
nothing's been spicy.
It's not been spicy, yeah, just a lot of cumin. So looking forward to getting tucked into this. Do you want to lift the lid? Show them? Oh, the delicacy. Look at that. If only you could smell on camera.
If only we had some salt. It really needs some salt. We have absolutely. What about we put the Imodium stuff in it? No, I don't want to. I really don't want to.
No, that could be a bit grim.
But this is bike packing. Just sitting in a lay-by. It's the only place with shade for miles around.
This is one reality of it. Yeah. Most of it has been in the wilderness, miles away from anyone, enjoying good cycling.
And we have just watched 20
cool Fiats
4x4s.
Yeah, with snorkels and everything.
4x4s.
Yeah, very cool. I'll see if there's one passing by and I can do it.
I'm a JCB from the UK.
From the UK, yeah. But yeah, looking forward to the descent. I think we've got about 80k to Marrakech now. So hopefully, and about 3,000 metres of descending.
It's good numbers.
That is good numbers. Alright, catch you in a bit.
As we descended from high Atlas, the scenery changed from dry, arid, mountainous, rocky landscapes to more pine and forest. We stopped briefly to take in the view and eat more of our bread with chocolate spread, but we knew we couldn't hang about as we still had a fair distance to go before we reached our destination, Marrakech. We hopped back on the bikes, and this time it felt like an absolute slog, with Alex taking lots of turns on the front, working hard into the headwind with me tucking in behind. Even though it felt like we had changed direction multiple times, the headwind was unrelentless, and it was really battering us. At this point, I'd say even Alex's morale was dropping. But after rounding a corner, we heard a whistle, and then suddenly 2 became 3.
We met a chap called Cameron who cycled down to Morocco from Lisbon, quit his job, cycling for 4 months, and now we're riding chain gang, absolutely razzing it back to Marrakech. And Alex is gassing it as per.
So after meeting Cam on the road, we'd intended to ride back to Marrakech and try to spend the night at Rahet. Alex has also come up with the idea that we should try and climb Toubkal. Remember from part 2 is this mountain here, the one that's over 4,000 metres high and tallest in North Africa.
Now we've done
Boys, it's Cam here. The lads have picked me up on the road coming down Ait Benhaddou over the top, over the col, and then a big run down into Marrakech. But yeah, they've dragged me along behind them the last 40k or so. We're just in a hotel where we're not going to stay, with the bike boxes, putting the bikes away, going to a different hotel, I think.
Yeah.
And then we're going to stay there, hopefully get some dinner, hopefully figure out how we're going up to Toubkal tomorrow. It's all good, it's all good.
We headed out to the epic chaos of Jemaa El Fina Square on a Saturday night, and we agreed on trying one of the many barbecue stalls. Each owner would hassle you to come and eat their food. We sat down at Lot 57 and stuffed ourselves to fuel for the adventure that lay ahead tomorrow. We enjoyed the lively atmosphere and eating a meal that wasn't tagine. I give the Marrakech barbecue experience solid 8.5 out of 10. Defo would recommend. Although, as long as you didn't look at the food preparation techniques too closely, and there was no food hygiene rating in sight.
So we just finished our meal in Jemaa El Fina Square, and I got a video of that. And now this is our hostel. The people are taking the piss out of me.
No, they're taking this out of us actually.
Whoa.
Oh, the door is small.
Pretty funky. Let's see.
When we got back, we set about organising our transport and a guide to take us up Toubkal the next day. After that, we all hit the hay, exhausted but excited for what lay ahead tomorrow.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن لا